Well, I took the my phone case off my phone to attach the my little microphone receiver part in my phone and dropped it on a rock and shattered the back. That's a good start to the day. And we're off. Oh, oh yeah, this is beauty. I'm so excited. Yeah, in the summer, this section, we're like, me and your dad wanted to so bad, but we're like, we will either flip this boat or like drown. It was just raging. Oh man. Okay, so update. We've gone down the left side of the river as much as we can, but the rapids are pretty crazy. There's a sunken boat just around the corner. So gorgeous out here, even when it's -5. I grabbed that axe. We'll be going soon. There we go. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so good.